I'm going to show you how to use Google's built-in task tool to help keep you organized. And the beauty about using Google Tasks is that it's already built into all of your Google tools. So if you're in Gmail, if you're in a document, calendar, or as I am right here in Google Drive, the tasks icon is always available on the right-hand side. So all I have to do is go over to this right here, and you'll see this little icon right there for Google Tasks. By clicking it, it'll bring up my task lists. Now, what you do is you need to create a list. If you've never used this, there's nothing there. You haven't had any to-dos. I'm awfully jealous. I wish mine was like that. By clicking this drop down right up here, it'll show all of the separate lists I have. And these are just different groups of tasks that I have. So I named mine. You get to name them as you want. So they're all separate groups of tasks I want to accomplish. We're going to go down to the bottom where it says create a new list. I'm going to click on that. And here's where I will get to name what I want that list to be. I'm just going to call this my demo list. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to hit done. And now I've got this brand new list of tasks I want to accomplish. Right now, because it's a brand new list, there's nothing in there. When I'm ready to add a task to it, all I have to do is click on the Add a Task button, name what it is I want it to be, demo list item 1. I can put some details in, explaining what this task is. The other cool thing is I can put a due date on this. So if I click on this, and maybe I have to have it due on the 30th of November, I can set a time, maybe 2:30 p.m. I can even have it be a repeating task. Maybe it's something you have to do every week. When I was a classroom teacher, I might have wanted one of these to remind me to do my attendance. So you can make it a repeating task if you want, and I just click OK. Now it's living in that task. And anytime I want to look at it again, I can just open it up. I can also change this. So if it's in my demo list now, and maybe I want to add it to my task, which is something a little more important, I can just click on the my tasks and it jumps out of the demo. So if I go back into my tasks, now that is listed right there. Same thing, I can put it back where I want it. The other thing is I can reorder some of my tasks. I can click and drag them to wherever I want. I can put them in different orders. So I could just reorder these, put the book study at the top, or I could put it at the bottom. So it's a really good way to kind of organize yourself. If I went back into that demo list, the one that we just made, and let's just say I did this early. I'm ready. I'm done. I've done that task, that activity I wanted to do. This is where it's really cool is I can just click this little toggle button and it disappears. It's now completed. And if I want to see the task that I have completed in the past, I can go down here to the bottom and it'll say completed. I can jump that up. I can look at those. I can also, I'm kind of a neat freak. I like to keep my tasks clean. If it's something I'm never going to use again, I just click the delete button and it's gone. Now I don't have to deal with that anymore. That task is complete. But like I was saying, what's really nice about this is that it lives inside all of these tools. If you have a document open or a slide deck, it's over here on the right-hand side, living with your calendar and your Keep. So anytime you want to use it, you just click the Tasks button, choose which list or group of tasks you want to use, and then you can keep yourself organized. There's an Android and an iOS app as well, so you can add, delete, do the manipulation, and change things same way there. Really easy to use, very, very helpful.